Alrighty guys, so I am in the city. I have my friend with me, Emitsu.
Hey guys, what's going on?
People know you on the channel. You smell good, by the way.
Thank you.
What are you wearing today?
Fantomas by Nasamaru.
Okay, that smells really good on you. We're gonna have to talk more about that later. But we're here for an event, so I'm just gonna show you what's going on upstairs and outside. We're gonna go ice skating. It's a Maison Francis Kurkdjian ice skating rink. So, you excited?
I'm very excited. Cannot wait.
Emitsu said that he knows how to do like triple axles. He knows how to hit the split on the ice skate.
Oh yeah.
So
I ain't seen nothing.
so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. This is why we are here. We're so excited. And by the way, I just have to say, these candles that we've got going on here are pretty awesome. All right, so we made it. We're on the ice. Emitsu's chilling with his cocoa, and I am just about to fall over. Doing my best. Let me show you what's in front of me. My bag. And my little wheelie thing to help me get going.
You really don't have to put your feet off.
Wave! Emitsu showing us how it's done. Meanwhile, I'm struggling over here with this kitty thing. I don't care. At least I'm safe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is a little once around for you guys. And again, so let me show you why we're here, right? Because that's important. Only in New York City do you get invited to awesome opportunities like these. So look at this. There's the Maison Francis Kurkdjian scented rink. It's an ice skating rink. And it's scented with fragrance. Let's ask Emitsu. I think because I'm full of like sheer terror right now, like I'm not sure if I'm actually getting the fragrance. Are you smelling any fragrance?
I smell more.
A little bit, right? Something. I smell something. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's me smelling him.
I think I need to like fall a few times and maybe I'll figure it out.
Gotta rub your hand on the ice and then smell it. It's a new day. I just got dressed, got up, and I am opening up some packages downstairs, and I thought I'd share what I got with you because I got these. I opened these up in the mail. These are from Vita. This is their Mongonga oil. I love this stuff. It is so, so good. And now I'm opening up another package. This is from Vita Grace. I love their stuff. It's like an online boutique. Ooh, oh wow. I've got a couple of different things here. Maybe I should do a proper unboxing. Let me know if you want to see me. Oh wow. Damn. Okay, so this is a lot. I forgot what I ordered, but these are so beautiful anyway. Like, if you can tell the way they package their stuff. I mean, this is a skirt that is just fabulous. I don't even know if I can fit in this skirt anymore. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. But this is cute. Love and adore. I also got this, which is a cute little sweater. Yeah, it's very cute. Okay. Like her a lot. I'll have to try her on and see how she fits. I'll have to try everything on and see how they fit, but alright. Now, oh yeah, this is from Vita Grace too. It is a dress that is so gorgeous. I know that if you follow my IG feed, you saw I have like a top and bottom for this, but like this is the whole dress. And I feel like I just had to have it. All right, so I just got my hair cut. I think it looks super cute. Very, very cute. She took a little bit off of the ends, but she also gave me some short pieces in the front, which I think it looks a lot better because my hair was kind of just like hanging before, but now it's not hanging as much. It's looking a lot fuller too, which you gotta love. Yeah, it's cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. Cute. Since I was going out today and since I'm going to a fragrance related event, that I'd bring you along with me. So today I'm heading into the city, going to travel. Actually, we're going into Brooklyn. We're going into Brooklyn for a Viktor and Rolf event. I'm super excited. I'm not sure if they're releasing something new. I'm just not sure, but I'm excited to go ahead and see what they've got going on. It's always a good time when it's a night of fragrance happening, so I'm happy about that. On another note, just in case someone asked, the lipstick that I'm wearing, because I know my ladies love it, and so do my guys, low-key. This is Ruby Woo from MAC, obsessed with it. Yeah, so at this point, I'm pretty much ready to go. I just fluffed my hair. My hair is looking great. It is growing much longer. I've actually been talking and sharing a little bit more about my hair and skincare, makeup, all those type of things on my other channel, my second channel on YouTube, which I'm not sure if you're following me there, but if you aren't, definitely jump over there and subscribe to that channel. I'll be posting some different content, hair care, of course, skincare, yes. Actually, today, my scent of the day is a scent that I've really been loving. It's from House of Sillage. Let me show you the cap, because the cap is just like everything and more. Can you see that? Look how gorgeous that is. And this one is called House of Sillage Whispers of Seduction. I've been loving this since the day House of Sillage sent this to me. They sent me a little bit of a PR package. There was another release that came out. Just gonna spray my hair too because I love it that much. Yeah, this one is just for me. I love it. I love the way it smells. It's like powdery, florally scent. More powder than anything else. It kind of reminds me of my childhood and I like that a lot. So yeah, that's my scent of the day, although I probably should be wearing something from Viktor and Rolf, but I don't feel like going all the way downstairs, which is where all of my fragrance is. Well, 75% of my fragrance is there. So now it is 4:59. I'm probably gonna be late because I'm traveling from the middle of nowhere in Long Island and I've gotta go all the way to Brooklyn and find parking and beat traffic. So I've got a lot ahead of me. Next time we see each other, we'll be at the event because it's dark outside and I need good lighting to film. So I am on my way. I just parked. This should be really cute. I want to show you what's ahead of me. Walking in the street right now because look how pretty this is. Walking in the street right now because if you know anything about New York City, sometimes they leave the garbage on the streets and then the little critters come out and I'm literally not about that critter life. So there's that. Okay, so I'm here. I am testing out the fragrance. It's a new fragrance. What's it called?
Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid.
Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid. So I'm gonna try it on the skin right now. Fragrance of the night. Super cute. this is where we're going right now. Early at my favorite place. I mean, no night is complete without getting a bubble tea. Yum, 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 yum. Today I got a jasmine milk tea, which sometimes I get just like a regular bubble milk tea, but today it's gonna be a jasmine milk. Just got home. I'm totally in the bed. I did not even take off my clothes. I did not even take off my makeup yet, although I am about to do it. I have a mask, red lipstick, red lipstick on my nose situation happening right now. It's just one of those days, you know. But I did want to tell you that on the drive home, I actually ended up unboxing the new scent just to give you a quick preview of what it is, what it looks like. This is it. This is her. She is called Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid from Viktor and Rolf. It smells really pretty. I love the packaging. The packaging is always really nice for Flower Bomb. I've always thought so. First impressions. I guess I'll do first impressions before I give a review. It's quite powdery. Powdery, peachy. It does smell similar to the original Flower Bomb. I like it. I'm gonna need some more time with it to see how it wears. I sprayed some at the event on me, and it had a lot of presence in the car, which inspired me to like open up the box and kind of dive right into it. But I need to test this out a little bit more to see, you know, how it wears on the skin, how long it wears, etc, etc, etc. But I'm curious if you've ever tried this scent. Please let me know your thoughts. I will do a full review on this scent if you'd like me to. You know, I'm totally here for it.